what are we looking for in terms of growth stocks? So what I like to look for when I'm looking at the company, I look at the market cap. That's the size of the company if you were to buy them all, like all the shares outstanding times the current share price, or however, whatever it takes to buy the whole company. That's the market cap. That's determined by, obviously, like the amount of sales they're getting in the market, how profitable they are, competitors, all these things. But that's the size of a company in terms of being a shareholder and an investor. So when I'm looking at something like, say, Tesla, which is right now like $700 billion market cap. So the whole company is $700 billion. Apple and Microsoft and Nvidia, they keep floating around $3 trillion. So that's 3,000 billion. And Tesla is 700 billion. So I like to see where, obviously, it's hard to say Apple, like, what are they going to do? When can they get to 4 trillion or 5 trillion? That's a big number, and they're already that big of a company in terms of just the amount of money that's out there. There's only so much to go around, so how much more can they pull? Everyone's already highly allocated in Apple and things like that. So we're looking for where are people going to rush to as new value is discovered in terms of like Tesla, full self-driving. So I like to see where that's going to take the valuation on the company. I think it's going to be basically, it's not like they'd say priced in. It's they're currently $700 billion market cap, selling cars and basically the best EVs in the world, and the technology and the infrastructure, the charging network for that, and their whole ecosystem. So they're winning in terms of producing new technology, like an iPhone type of moment in terms of technology. But they're going to break through on the software side as well for the AI, whether it's self-driving or the robots, the humanoid robots. So when that happens, that's what I like to see, that if they can go from 700 billion, we're looking for multiples here. We're not looking for like, I want a 50% return on a growth stock if I hold it for a few years. I want 500%, 700%. I want to make like 3, 4, 5 times. That's a growth stock to me. I don't pick a lot. I pick a few that I really think have nailed where the market is going to be working best in terms of where, a 5-year horizon or whatever we're looking at for certain technology or certain investment segment, like the industries that they're all in. So technology, basic materials, you got energy, oil, things like that. So whatever you're looking at, the horizon for that, like if it's energy, why would energy have a reason to be like growing in the next 5 years? Or in terms of technology, if it's a specific type like AI or chips or whatever it's going to be, it's got to have that growth ability and like timing in terms of the world has to be the right time as well, and it has to be that you're on the right company. So like Shopify is my other growth stock pick. I'm going to list these out. Shopify, Tesla, Spotify, I've mentioned a few of these, and Coinbase. These are the 4 major growth companies I'm looking at right now for, I think, for the next few years, for definitely the 2020s here. And then I have a few other names. I'm going to hold off saying which ones right now. And then I think this could get down to like a top 10 growth stocks that I would pick, and like just probably some brief on why and where I think maybe some price target or some market cap multiples that I think they could range between, light research type of stuff. But that's the names I'm liking right now. And I gave a lot on Tesla. There's a lot I could say on some of the other ones as well. But these are the names to be checking on. And I'm not looking to make videos on every single stock or cover anything. If you want, ask me for a specific one. But I'm really targeting and showing what I think are the best ones, and then I'm gonna dig in deeper and go kind of just continue going into why that's the right investment still, or if things change and I change my mind. If they don't keep to the plan that I saw when I started buying, or when I started liking a certain company, or if a competitor or something changes, right, change your mind and begin to reallocate. So that's what I'm looking at right now, and that's going to be coming up soon. See ya.